Sorry for that noise. Doing a video on Hey Snoop Channel 365. I'm doing a video on an airsoft spring shotgun with the show. I would buy that one, but I kind of want this. Oh yeah, happy Valentine's Day. It's 10:30 p.m. Obviously 2013 February 14th. I think, yeah, February 14th. Oh, my tongue hurts a little. So I'm gonna be talking weird a lot. It's American Dad. So this is a short video. Probably either tell you a choice. Okay, that was racist.
None of you! The average white man thinks about sex every 6 seconds, but he only thinks about sex with a black man once a year.
I have no idea what he's talking about, but I feel terrible.
So the next time you privileged suburban white boys think Beethoven wasn't black, maybe you should look in the mirror!
See that? It shows you probably put the BBs inside one. No!
Hey Steve, you want to play that game where you start with a tower of blocks?
You load them up like a normal shotgun.
Until it collapses?
And
Well, I think it's pronounced Henga, but if you want to crap all over the Spanish language, go ahead.
Sorry, I have to write a Black History Month report and I haven't picked the subject yet.
How about George
I'm gonna be
Washington
talking
Carver?
a lot.
He invented peanut butter.
Of course!
Excuse me,
Peanut butter is my favorite thing in the world!
this is the background sound.
Jupiter, it'd be my favorite thing in the solar system! Great idea, Mom!
Oh my goodness! Did someone just take my advice? I have something I've been saving for just this occasion. Oh. If anyone needs me, I'll be celebrating in the bathtub.
Why would anyone need
One
Shut up, class. Ooh!
Hey,
guys.
Jim,
So,
wanna play Jenga?
thanks for watching. See you next time. Goodbye. Okay, this is racist. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Dad, I think I'm old enough to decide.